Hi everyone, today our topic is factors. What are factors? Factors are numbers that go into another number exactly. No leftover, no remainder. We have to say that simply. Factors work like sharing. Work like sharing. Factors work like sharing. For example, imagine you have 24 apples. You have 24 apples. You can share them like, for example, one person gets 24 apples and two people each one gets 12 apples and three people each one gets 8 apples and four people each one gets 6 apples and six people each one gets 4 apples and 8 people each one gets 3 apples and 12 people each one gets 2 apples and 24 people each one gets 1 apple. Here we observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors of a 24. Therefore, factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Is it clear? Next, another example. Imagine you have 8 biscuits. You have 8 biscuits. You can share them like one person gets 8, two person each one gets 4 biscuits and 4 persons each one gets 2 biscuits and 8 persons each one get 1 biscuit. Here we observe that 1, 2, 4, 8. These are factors of 8. Therefore, 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of 8. Next, why do we need to learn factors? Why do we need to learn factors? Factors are useful in our day-to-day life. For example, to simplify fractions. To simplify fractions, for example, 8 by 12. 8 by 12. So, how to simplify this fraction? First, we think about common factor of numerator and denominator. So, 6 is the common factor. First, we write factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. The factors of 12. 1, 2, 4, 6, 12. In both factors, what is the maximum factor? What is the maximum highest factor? 4 is the highest common factor. Then we divide 8 and 12 by 4. Therefore, 4 2s are 4 3s are. So, our answer is 2 by 3. Is it clear? Another example. 18 by 24. So, first we have to write factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. The factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 4 and 8 3s are 24, 8, 12 2s are 20 and 24. So here we observe that what is the common highest factor? 6 is the common highest factor. Therefore, we divide numerator and denominator by 6. Therefore, 6 3s are 6 4s are. So our answer is 3 by 4. So in those all cases, we use factors for simplify fractions. Is it clear? And the next one, to solve division problems easily. If you know factors, division becomes very easy, because division means finding which factor fits. For example, 18 by 3. 18 divided by 3 is equal to how much? Here think which number multiply by 3 then gets 18. Here 3 into which number is equal to 18. So 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Therefore 6 is our answer. Is it clear? We take another example. 12 by 2 is equal to how much? Here think which number multiply by 2 then gets 12. Therefore 2 into which number is equal to, we get 12, that is 6. So 6 is our answer. 12 by 2 is equal to 6 and 18 by 3 is equal to 6. Is it clear? And the next one, to understand multiplication better. To understand multiplication better. Factors come from multiplication. If you know multiplication, factors becomes very easy. Here is the simple rule. A into B is equal to C, then A comma B are factors of C. I repeat again. A into B is equal to C, then A comma B are factors of C. A comma B are factors of C. For example, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, then 2 comma 3 are factors of 6. Factors of 6. Another example, 4 into 5 is equal to 20, then 4 comma 5 are factors of 20. Is it clear? Next, factors used in our day-to-day life. Factors used in our day-to-day life. For example, dividing work. First one, dividing work. If you want to divide 20 tasks, how many tasks? 20 tasks for 5 people. Then each gets how many works? 5 works, 4 works. 4 tasks. Why? Because 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Here we want to divide with 5 members. So therefore we get 4 tasks to each one. As to this, if you want to divide 15 tasks for 3 people, each gets how many? Each gets 5 tasks, because 5 is a multiple of 15, or 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So is it clear? And the next one, packing items. And the next one, packing items. For example, 36 mangoes packed in boxes. You can pack 4 boxes. Each box gets 9 mangoes. If you want to arrange 12 boxes, then each one gets 3 mangoes. 3 mangoes. Or if you want to arrange in 18 boxes, then each one gets 2 mangoes in each box. Or if you want to arrange in 36 boxes, then each one gets 1 mango in each boxes. Here we observe that 4, 12, 18, 36. These are also factors of 36. So factors help to pack without any leftover or without any remainder. Is it clear? Next, arranging seats. Factors also used in arranging seats. For example, 24 chairs in a hall. 24 chairs in a hall. We want to arrange as 3 rows. 3 rows of 8 chairs. 3 rows, how many chairs? 8 chairs, because 3 into 8 is equal to 24. As to this, 2 rows of 12 chairs, because 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 4 rows of 6 chairs, because 4 into 6 is equal to 24 also. 8 rows of 3 chairs, because 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 12 rows of 2 chairs, because 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 6 rows of 4 chairs, because 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Therefore, factors are used in easy arrangements. Easy arrangements. Is it clear? As to this, we are using factors in many different situations. That's why we learn factors compulsory. That's why we learn factors compulsory. Next, we learn about properties of factors. Properties of factors. Every number has at least 2 factors. I repeat again. Every number has at least 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. 1 and itself. For example, the factors of 8. The factors of 1, 2, 4, 8. And the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Here we observe that 1 is common factor for every number, and every number has itself factor. 8 has 8 factor, 6 has 6 number also as a factor, and this one 7 has 1 is a common factor of all numbers, and 7 has 7 as a one of the factor. Is it clear? And the next one, factors are always less than or equal to the number. For example, we have to write the factors of 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. So factors are always less than or equal to the number. Here you observe that the factors of 6, what is the highest factor? 6. So 6 is the equal or less than to the factor. So there is no higher than factors for any number. Here we observe that the factors of 10, 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 10. So here highest factor, what's the highest factor? 10. So 10 is equal to 10. Therefore factors are always less than or equal to the number. And the next one, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number because every number divided by same number. For example, the factors of 6, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Sorry. And the factors of 8, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. Here we observe that every number has 1 as a common factor. Okay. Next, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. We already discussed about this. The factors of 6, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6, and the factors of 8, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. Here we observe that every number is a factor of itself because we want to write factors of 6, then 6 as a one of the factor. Also we want to write factors of 8, then 8 as a one of the factor of itself. Therefore every number is a factor of itself. And the next one, factors come in pairs. For example, factors come in pairs because the factors of 12 is equal to 1, 12. 1 into 12 is equal to, we get 12. And 2 into 6. So 2 into 6 is equal to, 2 into 6 is equal to, we get 12. As to this, 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is equal to, we also get 12. Therefore, factors come in pairs. And the next one, prime numbers have only 2 factors. For example, 3. The factors of 3, 1 comma 3. And the factors of 7, 1 comma 7. And the factors of 11, 1 comma 11. The factors of 13, 1 comma 13, and so on. Here we observe that in those all numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Therefore, those numbers are called prime numbers. Those numbers are called prime numbers. And the next one, composite numbers have more than 2 factors. These are opposite to prime numbers. These are opposite to prime numbers. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. For example, 4. The factors of 4, 1 comma 2 comma 4. The factors of 8, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. The factors of 12, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 12. So in those all cases we have more than 2 factors. These numbers are called composite numbers. We already discussed about the previous classes, prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, is it clear? Find factors faster. We already discussed the factors of 36. 1 into 36 is equal to, we get 36. 2 into 18 is equal to, we get 36. 3 into 12 is equal to, we get 36. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 6 into 6 is equal to, we get 36. So factors came in pairs. Okay, is it clear? I hope you understood the entire topic of factors. If you have any doubt, please watch again. If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Again, see you with another new topic. Thank you all.